The Department of Foreign Affairs says that Mary Jane Veloso may return to the Philippines anytime this week. In a briefing on Monday, December 16, DFA Undersecretary Eduardo De Vega says that Veloso will be turned over to members of Philippine delegation, including members from DFA, Bureau of Corrections, and National Bureau of Investigation, who are set to go to Indonesia on Monday night.
Turn over siya sa Philippines. May delegation ang galing dito yung ako mismo, pero yung Bureau of Corrections o NBI, pupunta sila sa Jakarta mamayang gabi para i-turn over alinsunod sa practical arrangement na pinirmahan. No? Ang tingin namin, anytime this week, may chance na makakauwi na siya. Pero depende yan sa usapan namin mamayang gabi o bukas.
Veloso's parents were set to fly to Indonesia on Sunday, December 15 to visit Mary Jane, but their supposed visit was cancelled after the DFA received news that Mary Jane will be transferred to Jakarta, Indonesia. The Agence France Presse earlier reported that Veloso was moved to Jakarta on Monday from a women's prison in Yogyakarta province in eastern Java Island. Veloso's recent transfer to Jakarta led the DFA to cancel the visit of her parents to Indonesia.
Pero may na-receive kami noong Sabado na advisory ng Indonesia na ililipat na siya ng center sa Jakarta. Wala pa tayong confirmation pero most likely nandun na siya ngayon. Pag nandun na, mabilisan na yung pagka-turnover sa embahada natin. No? So dahil doon, hindi na natin pinapunta yung family. Ang the best yan, salubungan na lang nila pagdating dito. At tungkol sa pagkikipag-ugnayan, una, nabigo sila, pero natutuwa rin sila dahil alam nila confirmation to na pauwi na talaga si Mary Jane. Ang question lang, anong petsa?
Veloso was arrested in 2010 in Yogyakarta, Indonesia after authorities found her in possession of 2.6 kilograms of heroin. In 2015, Veloso narrowly escaped execution after her suspected recruiter was arrested. In an interview with the Agence France Presse on Friday, December 13, Veloso called the developments in her case a miracle.